lead me astray. I want to believe you. I want to shut my eyes as you hold me in the dark and for a second pretend. Pretend that this is real, that this will never end. I would like to float on your chest, feel your breath scatter the hair on my face. I want to pretend that those upright pink pearls around my neck and not your hands. That the pain on my back is from all the times you throw me against the wall just to find ground. But I know better. I know the things that you keep behind those gates. I know the faceless creatures that govern them. Why won't you love me? Why won't you love me right and forget carelessly and remember nothingness? Burning sage by the door. I knew you when I was younger. You were the stranger seeking refuge in a home of a young girl who had forgotten joy and met sorrow. You said if I would let you in, you'd eat the demons up. I should have known better because we are what we eat. But I was young. I was young and scared and I needed your strength to hide behind. When the world came knocking, I hid and you answered the door. And in the shadows I felt safe. Darkness became we and you became her. As your thirst grew milder, so deep that the light couldn't reach you. You began eating the light, not knowing what you do to me. Silent, I remained. When I asked you to leave, you said no. I spoke in silence, with words holding my tears back, but I wonder, could you hear the cracks between my words as I held back? I shouldn't speak too loud even when no one is looking. Lord knows there are creepers lurking, and they are lurking. But I'm not alone, am I? Lonely, yes, but surrounded by your aura of sadness. Swallow me, I'll feed you. I will hold you, I will. But only when no one is looking. I'll make love to your wounds and lick every infection they carry. Let contagious become me. Maybe then you'll catch my continuous fall.